lower animal. In fact, the upliftment of society depends upon the quality of leadership available to it. The following definition may be helpful to know the actual meaning of leadership. According to Montgomery, the capacity and will to rally a man and woman to a common purpose is called leadership. According to LaPerriere and Farnsworth, leadership is the behavior that affects the behavior of the people more than the behavior affect that of the leader. In simple words, leadership may be defined as the quality of a person to lead others in various facets of life. Leadership is the ability to intentionally provide positive influence on the lives and behaviors of others. The leader should possess qualities that are sought for and admired by followers. A leader must initiate an activity under the group's needs and carry the activity to completion. Thus, the leader is said to give the lead, make acceptable suggestions, show the right path, act as model for others, influence people to work together in the achievement of goals. Leadership is needed in every profession. In the field of physical education, leadership is also required to ensure continuous growth and vitality of the profession. It is critical situation that leaders emerge from among students now preparing for this profession. If leaders emerge, the profession of physical education will expand and prosper. But if leaders do not emerge, the profession of physical education will deteriorate or become worse. Indeed, leadership is the art of influencing people to work together harmoniously in the achievement of professional as well as personal goals. Leadership qualities. There are some personal as well as professional qualities which are essential for the leadership in the field of physical education. These qualities are mentioned below. Energetic. To be energetic is necessary for a leader in the field of physical education. In fact, it is basic requirement of this profession. Friendliness, affection. Friendliness and affection are also necessary qualities for the leaders. In this profession, these qualities are developed through physical education programs and Olympic Games, especially during training as well as competition. Decisiveness. A leader in the field of physical education should be decisive. It means he should have ability to decide and take decisions spontaneously. Technically skilled. A leader in the field of physical education should be technically skilled. He should be an expert of his discipline and specialization. Intelligent. A leader of physical education should have intelligence. In fact, intelligence is the ability of an individual to find out the possible solution of various complex